Checking if word segmentation is possible. This is a follow-up question to this response and the pseudocode algorithm that the user posted. I didn't comment on that question because of its age. I am only interested in validating whether or not a string can be split into words. The algorithm doesn't need to actually split the string. This is the response from the linked question. Let S1, length W, be a table with Boolean entries. Si is true if the word W1, I, can be split. Then set S1 equals is word W1, and for I equals 2 to length W calculate Si equals is word W1, I, or for any j in 2, I, Sj1, and is word j, I. I'm translating this algorithm into simple Python code, but I'm not sure if I'm understanding it properly. Code. I have two related questions. 1. Is this code a proper translation of the linked algorithm into Python, and if it is, 2. Now that I have S, how do I use it to tell if the string is only comprised of words? In this case, is_word is a function that simply looks a given word up in a list. I haven't implemented it as a try yet. Update. After updating the code to include the suggested change, it doesn't work. This is the updated code. It should return true for both of these.
Here is a modified version of your code that should return good results. Notice that your mistake was simply in the translation from pseudocode array indexing, starting at 1, to Python array indexing, starting at 0, therefore S0, and S1, were populated with the same value where SL1 was actually never computed. You can easily trace this mistake by printing the whole S values. You will find that S3 is set true in the first example where it should be S2 for the word car. Also, you could speed up the process by storing the index of composite words found so far, instead of testing each position.
For a real-world example of how to do English word segmentation, look at the source of the Python word segment module. It's a little more sophisticated because it uses word and phrase frequency tables, but it illustrates the recursive approach. By modifying the score function, you can prioritize longer matches. Installation is easy with pip. And segment returns a list of words.
One, at first glance, looks good. One thing, for j in range 1, str_len, column should be for j in range 1, I, column I think. 2, if str_len1 equals true, then the whole string should consist of whole words only. After all si is true if the whole string from 0 to I consists of a single dictionary word, or there exists a sj1 equals true with j, I, and the string ji is a single dictionary word. So if sstr_len1 is true, then the whole string is composed out of dictionary words.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.